I care way too much about what other people think. I give too much power to other people's opinions. It's difficult to ignore what they think or what they have to say about me. It's really affecting the way I show up in my life. I don't say what I really want to say. I don't do a lot of the things I really want to do. Because I don't want to be judged. I acknowledge all of this discomfort. I accept these feelings. I've held on to them for a little too long. It's okay to feel afraid of other people's judgments. But I'm ready to release some of this fear now. I know I will never please everyone. I can be the juiciest peach in the bunch, and someone will still hate peaches. And that says nothing about me. And everything about their own preference. I'm letting go of the burden of other people's judgments. I don't need to hold on to them anymore. I prioritize my peace over their opinions. There's nothing I can ever do to stop other people from talking about me. But what I can do is focus on myself. So I'm releasing this obsession I have with what other people think of me. The truth is, it doesn't matter. What matters is what I think of me. I am enough as I am. I'm embracing my own self-worth. I'm learning to value my opinion over others. And with that, I am free of the judgment of others.